I've been talking a lot about Kajabi and all the cool things that you can do on the platform for your online business. And in this video, I'm actually going to show you someone who uses Kajabi, and we're going to walk through her website, and I'm going to show you how Kajabi can look for you as an end product. I've shown a lot of screen shares and tutorials of how to set things up and how things can be organized on Kajabi, but I thought it'd be cool to do a few case studies to show you some really big names and some small names, some people you might know, some people you might not know, but all of these people are using Kajabi. And today we start with Amy Porterfield. So this is her website. You probably know who Amy Porterfield is, but if you don't, she helps people grow online businesses. She's really, really good. If you're not following her stuff, you definitely should. Hi, I'm Amy. So this is her hero image. This is super easy to do on Kajabi. There's a couple things going on right here. The first thing is when you click on her website, the very first thing that pops up is want my notification or want update notifications from Amy. Click yes to get notifications in your browser. Notifications can be turned off anytime. So I'm going to say never just because I don't love notifications, but that is a pop-up that you can do in your Kajabi website. The other thing that happens is there's this ticker at the top that has her latest podcast episode. This is pretty cool. So it's episode number 404, Why We Avoid Things in Our Business and What to Do About It. That actually is an interesting episode. I'm going to watch that because I've kind of been in a little bit of a funk lately that has to do with wanting to avoid things I don't want to do. So that's at the top. So we have the header up here where she has home. That's where we are here. We'll look through that. Her podcast, about, learn with Amy, and then tools of the trade. So let's just go down the page and see what she has. The very first thing that she has, and I love this, is a lead magnet generator right here. So she has a call to action button. I teach business owners, educators, entrepreneurs the profitable action steps for building a highly engaged email list, creating online training courses, and using online marketing strategies to sell with ease. So if you click Let's Get Started, it's going to go down to this page, which if you notice, that just took us down right here. Access my powerful resources to amplify, accelerate, and automate your profits. So what she's doing here is this within Kajabi is a 3 kind of feature display where you can have an image, a little bit of text, and then a call to action button. All 3 of these are lead magnets. So get started growing your audience, start creating a digital course, get started with streamlining. And you can click any one of these, give me access. It brings up the opt-in page. Very cool. And go back to this, bring this one up, brings up that opt-in page. Okay, this is all done easily within Kajabi. As we go further down the page, we have what's called social proof, where she's showing, hey, I've been featured in these different companies. And I'm guessing if we clicked on these, it's probably going to go to where she was featured. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Okay, so now here we go through her best-selling marketing courses, blah, 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 read Amy's story. So here it's going to take us to learn about Amy, right? I think this is the About Amy page. Let's see if they did it that way. Yes, this is the About Amy page. How I went from overworked, yes girl, blah, blah, blah. Good stuff. You should get on here and read it. I'm just trying to show you, you can build a really awesome, intuitive website that is driven towards next steps and driven towards your lead magnet. Amy has been doing this a long time. She's got a lot of next steps on her site, the podcast, different lead magnets, courses. You might start out very scaled down version of this, but this looks really, really good. Let's go back to the home page. So as we scroll down here, we have the lead magnets, we have the social proof, we have the top ranking online marketing made easy podcast. So she's highlighting her podcast, which is cool. And then ready to get the most out of your listening time. So how to discover how to grow a buyer-filled email list that fuels your business every day. View resources. This is cool. So she's got a lot of different ways that you can connect with her. And I love this right here. Sign up for my free masterclass. So again, this is another lead generator, lead magnet. One of the things that Amy does well, and it makes sense because she teaches this, is so much of what she does is she's providing tons of value, lots of value for free, but then there are some really great benefits behind the email list. They're free. You just got to give your email. They're called a lead magnet. And that's what she's got here, right? So this is a masterclass, Reserve My Seat. And I subscribe to a bunch of different things that she's done over the years, and it's really, really great. She's got great resources. If we go up here to Learn with Amy, you can see the all-in-one place list building library, right? So this is where you can get access. This is free access to the list building library, another lead magnet. Free course creation starter kit, another lead magnet. A tiger time ritual to protect your valuable time, right? So these are all lead magnets. If we scroll down the page, now we start to actually see her paid courses. Notice that what she puts up front and center is not her paid courses. Why is that? Because the barrier to entry to download one of her free things is far less than paying for a course. So she knows if you go to Learn with Amy and you see a free thing and you sign up for it, then she has your email list. She's going to send you that free thing. She's also going to have you placed into an automated sequence, or Kajabi is going to do all this because she set it up ahead of time. And you are going to get emails from Amy that are going to sell you on buying her course. She might even have one-click upsells and order bumps and everything within this lead magnet, which would be pretty cool, and I wouldn't be surprised if she did. But the point is, the free lead magnet is front and center before we ever even get to right here, which is, hey, buy my course. So enroll now. And this is where we can see the sales page for List Builder Society. So there have been 19,000 people who have been in this course. Let me tell you something. That's amazing. That's amazing. To have 19,000 people take one course that you've made, that's incredible. So this is her sales page. This is built on the Kajabi platform, and it looks great. So you can do a one-time payment of $397 to join that course, or 6 payments of $74. She's got all kinds of stuff. Testimonials, what you get, a nice little graphic display. Really, really good stuff. Very cool. And then we have systems that scale, right? So we can see what this does. This is the sales page for systems that sell, not sail, like we're not on a ship. Okay, $297 for that. So she's got the $397, the $297, and then we have the big digital course academy, which is on waitlist. I think this one is like the $2,000 premium course that she offers. And then we've got a testimonial. All right, tools of the trade. Here, what do we have? We have another lead magnet. Okay, this is her list of tools and things that she uses, one of which is Kajabi right here. And so you can try Kajabi, you can try Samcart, Full Focus Planner. All of these, by the way, are affiliate links. Okay, so you can have these sent to you in a email, or you can just see them right here on her page and go straight to them as a affiliate link. So this website is actually a pretty simple website to get your mind around. It's only looks like 5 pages, 5 main pages, and then some sales pages and landing pages that branch off from that. Most of it is driven by lead magnets, and the courses are on here. One of them is held behind a wait list and is opened, I think, twice a year. The other ones you can join whenever you want. Podcast is featured. There's not a whole lot of complexity to it. And Amy Porterfield is making, the last time I heard her mention what she made, it was $10 million a year. At this point, she may have doubled or tripled that. I don't know. Point is, she's doing very well in her business, and she's got a very clean, simple, straightforward website with lots and lots of ways for you to connect with her further by getting onto her email list. And that's one of the biggest things that I learn when I look at her website is I need to have more easier, more obvious ways that people can get on my website and go, oh yes, I want that. I want that. I have those. I teach to do that, but she's the master at it. She's doing really well. So go check out her website. If you haven't jumped on the Kajabi yet to build your cool entire business brand online website, everything on Kajabi, you can use my link to do it, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get some really cool things. You get a 30-day free trial. You also get a 45-minute Zoom call with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, how to get the best possible start on that platform. And I'm going to give you a template that will help you when you launch your first course with a set of emails to send out when you do that. All of that is at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Go check that out. And until next time, be sure to click on this playlist right here where we'll go into more depth about Kajabi. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.